Hello there. So you want to know how you can sell back your tickets on Gametime? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So first of all, let me tell you what selling on Gametime means. So let's just open Gametime. So for example, let's say you purchased a ticket and now you or your friend has changed their mind and now you don't want to go anymore. What you can do instead of losing all that money is sell that ticket straight back onto this application. So all you need to do in order to do that is on the bottom hand of your screen, all you need to do is tap on this sell button and click on add tickets. I'm not logged in at the moment. However, when I'm logged in and I've already purchased a ticket, it's just going to go ahead and show you the ticket and go ahead and they're going to offer you a price. You can simply go ahead and sell it at that, and that is it. Your money should be back on your account that is linked with it. And I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you